Everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome you on Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Today, I show you close look of Garrett PD6500i. This is a 33 zone walkthrough metal detector kit, and mention over here pinpoint detection. So detection is very good, no doubt. This is purely educational video for you, and over aim to educate you. And here is the speaker under here, and for the detection alarm, this one is the keypad and also display and indication lights over here, as you can see. And here is the power supply of this Garrett metal detector walkthrough kit, and here are internal jacks for RX-TX, and here are main boards and RX-TX boards here, and you can see here are few jacks and connectors. No doubt the circuit of this walkthrough gate is very good, and board quality and designing is no doubt very good and fine, as you can see over here. And also here is a protection layer over the boards as well. So if you're interested in the videos like this and want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon. And you can see here are main RX-TX and optical jacks here on the board, and here is the main display. Press the operate button, and as you can see here, the menu of programs running: self-testing, TXA fail, TXB fail, AC sync fail, and RX optical fail, TX optical fail, RXB zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, all the fail. Because reason is this, because the control panel is not connected with these side panels. I am showing you this control unit without these side panels, so that's why all the messages and all the menus are showing fail. So this is the video of day.